Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Who do you think is most like your dad?
All three of us. In our own way, you know what I mean? All three of us have different features from our dad, so that's what I'll say.
Who is most like your mom?
People them always say I'm me still, so I guess me. I want to smile, I love laugh and them thing that get my personality change from my father. The swag, that's me. All of that I steal from him.
Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Mickle day but the darkness like night come.
If you love Jamaica, go down and sing. Go down and bumper.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Yo, I want people, it's the boy DJ Dreadbeard there again with another one. You see me? And we there to talk about everything we go on over the weekend. Red Bull Culture Class and Vybz Kartel the day and Alkaline tune play and likkle vibes run up on the stage and man of the match and one bag of things go on. So, here we are. First, I want to say, yo, Vybz Kartel marketing strategy top notch, because the man have a tune that say Red Bull and white rum, and which part the man go for premiere him white rum. Now the Red Bull Culture Clash, so you see it, Red Bull and white rum, and him premiere it at the Red Bull Culture Clash. The man marketing strategy is genius. You see me? Genius. And then him say it a go hit all of the shelf them in the week a forward. You see me? So it premiere at the Culture Clash, as you can see by your screen. Him and him team, Pinky, Madsu, Shanstorm, Likkle Vibe, Likkle Addi, the whole of them have the white rum, electric white rum. You see me? And at the first it there. But where other people can get it if you drink and sample. So it premiere at the Red Bull Culture Clash. Red Bull and the white rum, you see me? So good marketing strategy, premiere. Right, that's so. And what else we have to talk about? So we see likkle Addi Imado ER entertainment report run. You know how it used to go. From you have the top tune, you have to do a interview run. You see me? And market your tune, talk about your tune, talk about what go on with the tune. So Vybz Kartel there road and you see everything kinda change for likkle vibes and likkle Addi where performance and interview is concerned. So when Vybz Kartel did their prison, you know I see them pan no Red Bull Culture Clash and them thing there, you see me? And probably you wanna see them do no interview, but right now Vybz Kartel I teach them the way to go, I teach them the ropes. So you have one of the number one tune in the country. It did on top 10 trending number one. Do your interview run, you see me? So him upon the interview and Anthony Miller I asked him who him more like, and him I say yo, people more say yo, him like Shorty, you know. Him like him mother and them thing then, but him take certain things from him father, and you see the comparison when I draw in at the intro. When him run out on the Red Bull Culture Clash and him do the little performance and I jump and I move like a same way Vybz Kartel perform, you see me? So you see me do the little comparison. And we could have find any other Vybz Kartel clip. And I see where Vybz Kartel perform. So you can see him emulate the performance and the work ethics and everything from Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel are train them. So in the coming months and years, them are going to find more hits. You see me? Them are going to find more hits and them are gonna do more interview and do the thing like oh we know what it's supposed to do. Nowadays, man have top tuner, we not see them on an interview. And 1 and 2 times you will see them pass through on the fix and some little podcast and thing, but yo, don't forget the local. You see me, so that him do.
Did you rely on for emotional support?
Definitely my mom. Big up my mother all the time, you know, my mother.
What's the one thing you remember your mom telling you when all of that was playing out?
Don't worry. Everything will be controlled by God. Don't worry.
Would you say that you are closer to being rich than most people?
I say that I'm very fortunate, you know, to be living in a house like this.
Were you always aware of being fortunate?
Me and my friends, we all live similar lifestyles, you know what I mean? Typical uptown kids.
Yeah man, so that likkle Addi by Entertainment Report. I do an interview run and I don't know why them not upload it yet, but definitely them are gonna upload it. But I watch it on one spot me there, you see me? And I think the interview lasts about 8 minutes. 9 minutes, 8 minutes tops. You see me? But he might answer some question and make Anthony Milan want say, yo, them born in a riches, but everybody around them born in a riches too, so you don't really come like none. You know how it go. If you're born in riches, it's not really come like nothing to you. I just say you're born poor, you don't know about riches, so vice versa. Anyway, I could talk about the Alkaline now and the Vybz Kartel. You know my reasoning them different. You see me? So Vybz Kartel, they're not every party right now, and no matter which tune play, I could have enemy tune play, he might go bust a blank. You see me, I'm gonna make everybody feel good night. Nobody not afraid for playing a tune around Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel established that earlier up in the month or last month when the man requests Movado tune. So here my logics now. You can imagine if Vybz Kartel never did do all of that. Put Massacre in them top 5 lyricists. Put Ido in them top 5 lyricists. Money pull up to Movado tune and all of that. You can imagine if Vybz Kartel never did do all of that. And the Red Bull Culture Clash play and Alkaline tune go run. And you see Vybz Kartel a bus blank and something same way. Can you imagine the impact that would have? I know people would not talk about it. People are gonna still talk about it, you know. Like Alkaline fans, them are gonna run up and down with it and say, Ray. Whatever them think about for say, them are gonna say it. Them are gonna always say it, whether him did big up Movado first or whatever. So when Vybz Kartel make everybody know say, yo, this thing we wanna try size up with me, and Vybz Kartel read the comment and see the play where everybody a try do. Everybody a try put them name against Vybz Kartel. For be this big man is a cheat code where everybody use, and Alkaline use it the most, and him fans them use it the most. So when Vybz Kartel do, him get that out of everybody's mind. So even if a man put a diss track towards Vybz Kartel, people are gonna say, yo bro, what I do? No, see the man good with everybody. Wanna still a try do that? You see me try size up with yourself, man. Alkaline versus Massacre, somebody, but that him do in a smart way. Just imagine if him never do. Just imagine if Vybz Kartel never did big up Movado and money pull up and I tell selector say, yo, run some Movado. Just imagine if him never do all of that, the impact what the Alkaline tune they would have. You see me? Pun intended. Make an impact. Just imagine how people would not go crazy. It would have a bigger impact than if Vybz Kartel like forward out of prison and him no want hear no Movado and him never say I don't in the top 5, Massacre in the top 5. So right now the man in our way I show you say, yo, if Alkaline tune play around him just a bust a blank if him feel like. And when him do, him go on him live and put up the 6 and the Gaza sign and say Gaza. So what the man do, I make you know say, yo, when me no in no rivalry with no man. This a thing when me hear the internet I go crazy over about Alkaline and Kartel. That was a thing back in the days. Vybz Kartel does a exercise him muscle. Him there in a prison and him feel like fi exercise him muscle. And him do that. That done and gone with him. I don't know why people are try bring it up back every chance them get. And as me say, Vybz Kartel read the comments and know. And what Vybz Kartel do, it better than if him never did a move. Like when the Alkaline play, him stand up still and never did a move. That would have carry more weight and more comments and more, you see me, more live and more video than I make a more talking point to that they round it and be laughing and giggling and them thing that they round it, you see me. But the man don't make it clear from earlier. Say him and everybody good and him not depend that right now. You see me? And it too early for the man to talk about a clash and them thing there. So I don't know. Alkaline like him at waste him time a follow up Kartel and years go by. Kartel a get him gold and him silver. I not say Alkaline with nothing. So Alkaline you need to step away from the whole Vybz Kartel thing there and try do something by your own because years and age a catch up on you. And you're still like local, you're still like in the local scene. And speaking about local, you see the same interview with likkle Addi. We see the top 10 countdown. And a Vybz Kartel comment still there number 1. So remember, you know, before they have YouTube trending, you know. Remember I did CVM when them have I remember when Milk used to run for a program and I have the top 10 and Anthony Miller top 10 and them there. When you see man dominate them charts, you know them have the number 1 tune in the country, right? Before you have the internet and them thing there. So Vybz Kartel, the comet, still there number 1. No matter who you see a trend on YouTube trending number 1 now. A Vybz Kartel, the comet still there number 1. So that is the number 1 tune in a Jamaica. And you know, so no buy views and no buy nothing can go on them chart there. Them chart they work off of votes and they work off of how the tune are sell, and well if something come together make them tune they go number 1 in a Jamaica. I have a next chart too. I think the Magnum IRFM Magnum chart. Anytime I say a tune the number 1 on that, yeah man, I hit the number 1 tune in a Jamaica. So yeah man, the Magnum chart, I think the longest tune ever upon the Magnum chart are the Tommy Lee and the Skeng Protocol. Yeah man, that upon the chart long. So the comet dropped over a month ago and it's still the number 1. It don't look like it a go move. You see me? We see the Shensia they are number 2 and the Chronicler and the Cranium they are number 3. Who did they are number 5 again? Something they are number 5. Massacre 20matic they are number 5. I don't remember who they are number 4. You see me? But yeah, them charts they can't buy. Another thing I want to clear up before me get out of here. So what Vybz Kartel also do is, if them ever go play Alkaline a Freedom Street, you know like when they select them a play a tune, if them even go play the Alkaline, it not have no impact again. Vybz Kartel do all of that and lessen the impact. So the talking point where would have forward after that and say, yo the man play Alkaline a Freedom Street, the man done bust a blank to Alkaline at the Red Bull culture clash. So all of that talking point there, it just minimize. People still a go talk like the vendetta people them still a go talk, but it not gonna really mean nothing cause Vybz Kartel never forward out of prison and a tough up him face. You see me? Him never tough up him face for Idonia and you see me? Him no want call Idonia name and him no want call my father name and them thing there. So him and my father good, so people must say the only person where him and them not good at Alkaline. You see me? But the man still never top up still never tough up him face, you see me? So I just Vybz Kartel that. We don't know if a strategy or whatever, but it work. It work because him big up Vado And now him bust a blank for Alkaline. So him not try to say, yo, it's him not deal with no. Him not deal with no war thing we own upon. Him can make it big without a war. You see me? I wouldn't need the war, not him. So like, comment and subscribe if you don't like the reasoning. You see me? Definitely I gonna drop a next video.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight Informative Entertainment Vlog.